Guys, today I show you how to bypass FRP A11 binary binary 3. So I have FRP, so I will show you how to remove. So guys, if you have unlock tool, so open your unlock tool and then open your phone. It will be on test point, so put your phone on test point and I will show you how to test point. I'll show you guys. So see guys, that have iCloud, guy. See guys, that have iCloud, so I show you how can bypass that. So guys, I open that phone. Now I will open that phone. I will show you the test point place. So I open that phone, guys. You see guys, that phone is now open it. So I show you how to test point that. So guys, open your unlock tool now. So it is going to open now. So now guys, the unlock tool is open. Go to Samsung. Let's open now. So search A11. So see guys, that's phone. So that's a spread drum. So now we will going to test point. So that guy, that's test point place, that one. That's one test point place. So guys, you can test point that place. Now erased FRP and Dale mode. So guys, see that phone is waiting now for USB. Point place, remove the battery, then put the test mode to your phone in that place, and now connect the phone on PC. See guys, it's taking now. Stop. Start So that's finished guys. That FRP is done. So see guys, that FRP is done. Now your phone will be on it. So guys, see that phone is now removed the FRP. So wait guys, see guys. See guys, that's finished. So that is latest version of A11.
زلمی تو پنج از کدام شرکت گرفتی؟ از شرکت امارت اسلامی رسیده
See guys.
کارت داری؟ کارت امارت داری؟
So see guys, that's finished. So thanks for watching my video. Thanks guys, subscribe me. Thanks.